श्री श्री राधा श्याम सुंदर जी। श्री नमो विष्णु कृष्ण श्री भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी। नमस्ते सारस्वत देवी गौरव निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतः श्री चैतन्य पीठ स्थापित स्वयं ददाति स्वपदा। ओम ओम भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम ओम भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्री भगवानुवाच त्रिभिर्गुणमयैर्भावै येभिः सर्वम् इदं जगत् मोहितं नाभिजानाति मामेभ्यः परमव्ययम्। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता 7.13। त्रिभिर्गुणमयैर्भावै येभिः सर्वम् इदं जगत् मोहितं नाभिजानाति मामेभ्यः परमव्ययम्। त्रिभिर्गुणमयैर्भावैर् येभिः सर्वम् इदं जगत् मोहितं नाभिजानाति मामेभ्यः परमव्ययम्। So beautiful. Shri Bhagavan is saying, Tribhirgunamayer ebi sarvam idam jagat. The whole jagat. This jagat is Tribhirgunamayer bhavair. It is in the bhava of three gunas. Rajoguna, Tamoguna, Sattvaguna. And a mixture of these gunas. So everybody's bhava, everybody's feeling is in these modes. All the jivas in this material world, their bhava is like this. They are influenced by these modes. So we don't have to be surprised. Why we don't see things right? Why can't we see Bhagavan? When Bhagavan is saying, Bijamam Sarva Bhutanam, when that is the absolute reality, why can't we see? Why can't we see Krishna? Why can't we see everything as Krishna's? Why can't we perceive like that? Why don't we feel joyful seeing everything as Krishna's? Mhm. So, mm, so if we are feeling like that, then it is because of the moods. We cannot see. Though Bhagavan is saying Bijamam Paramavyayam, we are unable to see such a diseased state. Govinda, पक्का diseased state. एक तरफ से on one side Bhagavan is saying Bijamam Param Sarvabhutana. I am the source. I am the seed. So why can't we see Bhagavan? Mohitam na abhijanati, because all the jivas are in moha, and that's why they do not know. Na abhijanati. They do not know Krishna, who is actually Bijam. But the jivas end up seeing only the effect of three modes. What is the effect of three modes? When the absolute reality, when the beautiful reality is Krishna and everything is Krishna's, when that's the beautiful reality, what are the jivas seeing because of Mohitam? Mohitam is influence of these gunas which are coming from Ahamkara. So Mohitam is Ahamkara. Everything is seen self-centered. The self comes first. Krishna should come first. And the self comes first. Everything here is projected from self standpoint. Govinda. When the reality is Krishna standpoint. So everything, when it is focused, when it is thought, when it is perceived, when it is felt from self standpoint, good or bad, any label, when it is a self standpoint, oh gaya perverted. ये self कहाँ से आ रहा है when it is Krishna everywhere? When Krishna is the Bijam. Self आ रहे, self is coming because of Mohitam. Why should this self come? As if it is Bhokta, as if it is Bhagavan. When the reality is Krishna, beautiful reality is Krishna. So Mame Paramavyayam. Because of this self-centeredness, Mamebhya Paramavyayam. Jiva cannot see that Krishna is the Param. Krishna is Avyayam. क्या सोच रहे ये जीवा? A tiny, insignificant, good for nothing jiva. Conditioned jiva. Jiva is wonderful, but when conditioned, when it is self-centered, then that's good for nothing. क्या reality है self-centered में? What reality is there? Everything is now illusion. So, in that state, Jiva when self-centered, cannot see the supreme beautiful truth. Krishna, Mamebhya, Param, who is supreme, transcendental, and Bhagavan, who is inexhaustible, beautiful Krishna, is the beautiful reality, and he is inexhaustible. But when Jiva is in Tribirgunamayir Bhava, then it is Mohitam na Abhijanati. Ah, Govinda, Govinda, such an illusion. By default, self-centered setting में लगा हुआ है everything in the system. तो कैसे? Then what is how to come out of this diseased condition? Diseased condition is painful. Actually, painful is a little better. When one is in a diseased condition and not even feeling the pain, that is even more worse. When somebody is thinking, Arey Baba, the whole thing is Krishna's. Krishna is everywhere. Krishna's. Everything is Krishna's. Krishna is a beautiful reality. Why don't I feel it? Why don't I see it? I better have that pain than not having any pain at all and think, oh, all is good. Self-centered is good. हाँ, अच्छा से लेबल लगा के do good, be good, everything good. That's all. एक label लगा के then don't even think of Krishna. Instead of that condition, I would rather feel painful. Why like this when everything is Krishna's? Why can't I see Krishna's? I would rather feel that pain and then what? And then call out, Krishna, ye kya halat hai, please. Then Krishna will hear the prayer and then he will. Shastra is there, Sri Bhagavan Vacha is there. But he will manifest as a Bhagavata, a Bhakta Bhagavata, who is actually seeing only Krishna but not the modes. Then when these Bhakta Bhagavata speak, they speak Krishna, 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 and Krishna. And they just speak. And those are not ordinary words because they are with Krishna. And they are in great love for Krishna. When that Shabda Brahman comes, wow, Jnananjana Chulita. Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya. Up until then, Mohitam na abhijanati, everything was reflecting self-centered. But when these Bhagavatas, when these Bhagavat Premis, when they speak, not only they make us see what they see, they make us see Krishna that they're seeing. That is the only way of seeing. And we can see what is happening in the transcendental world when it is relayed in a station. Oh, hai Bhagavatas, Bhakta Bhagavatas. They relay, they transmit. Oh, Krishna transmitter. So these Bhakta Bhagavatas, they see Krishna everywhere. They really see Krishna only. And everything is Krishna's. And not only that, they have such love for Krishna. Yeah, with this Mahat Bhavat Padamboja Sudha Karnalila Sa Uttama Shloka Mahan Mukhachuto Bhavat Padamboja Sudha Karnanila Smritir Punah Vismrita Tattva Vartmanam. They bring the memory back. All of us are in a forgetful stage, deluded stage. And when these Bhakta Bhagavatas, Bhagavat Premis speak, they bring the memory back. Oh, no, they bring the memory back, they give their vision. Yomam pashyati sarvatra sarvam cha mai pashyati vision. We are blinded. I am completely blinded. How do I have this vision of Krishna? Oh, my jnanati mirandasya jnananjana shalakaya. They give us this vision. Only they give us this vision. Otherwise, it is not possible. This is Bhagavad Maya hai. Even if one does tapasya upside down tapasya for zillion years to come. Even if somebody is reciting the Vedas, know the Vedas. Even if somebody does zillions of austerities that are impossible. Hiranyakashipu did all the austerities. All the impossible austerities. Hiranyakashipu did it. All these Mayavadis, they know the Vedas. But are they seeing Krishna? Rahuganayeta tapasanayeti na chityaya nirvipanat grihadva na chandasayeva jalagni surya vina mahatpada rajo abhishekam. Without that mahatpada rajo abhishekam, Bhavat Mahatpada Sudham Kanalila Mahan Mukhachuto Bhavat Padam Jasudha Kanila. Without that, there is no question. No question. No matter what I do. तो कैसे सुनना है? When the giver of this vision is the Vani of this Mahat Bhaktas, how should we hear? We should hear their words as our very life-giving. Life-giver words है वो. Oh, those words are अज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानांजनशलाकया. वो ज्ञानांजनशलाकया words है. यहाँ वहाँ देखने के नहीं है. There is no other way we can get this vision with no formulas. Nothing. Just prapatti to this Mahat Bhaktas. I am yours. Hey, Bhagavat Premi. Please, koro more atmasata. योग्यत विचारे कुछ किचु नहीं पाए. कभी है नो कृपा लबिया ये जाना. कृतार्थ होई पोना था. शक्ति बुद्धिहीन अमी अति दीना. करो मोरे आत्मसाता. Please make me yours, please. They are very merciful, super merciful. When they make us theirs, they give their vision to us. Tabhi, only then we can see them. Bhagavan that they are seeing. Only then we can have the love for Bhagavan that they are having. Yes, we are all dependent on Krishna. We are super dependent on Krishna Bhaktas, Krishna Premis. because only they can make us see Krishna.